let's look at question 23 of the 2025 fifth grade STAAR math test. My question here is, how many hours does Santiago drive each week? Okay. So I know that Santiago drives a total of 24 2/10 hours in 4 weeks. So it takes him 4 weeks to drive 24 2 miles. Or hours, I'm sorry, 24 2/10 hours. Okay? And because he drives the same number of hours each week, and I want to know how many does he drive each week, this is a division problem. Okay? So I'm going to take my 24 2/10, and I'm going to break it up, and I'm going to divide it by 4, because that's going to tell me how much each week. Okay, how many hours each week. So before I start, I want you to remember that when I multiply and divide with decimals, I do not put my decimal anywhere until the very, very end. Okay, so 4 does not go into 2, so I'm going to put an X there. But 4 goes into 24 6 times. So again, remember with my division, my steps are divide, multiply, subtract. I'm going to bring it on down, and then I'm going to bring it all the way back to division. Okay? So I just divided. 24 divided by 4 is 6, and now I'm going to multiply 6 times 4, which gives me 24. And now I need to subtract. 24 minus 24 is 0. I need to bring down my number, which is 2. 4 goes into 2 0 times. 0 times 4 is 0. And I have my 2. Now I can repeat this process over and over again. I'm going to get 0, 0, 0. But that's not how you do it. Remember, I told you that you could add a 0 there. And if I add a 0 at the end, my 2 now becomes 20. And I know that 4 goes into 20 5 times. And 5 times 4 is 20. I'm subtracting it and I get a 0. And now, because I have a 0 and I don't have a remainder, I am done with the first part of my problem. But guys, when I divide, my answer is supposed to get smaller. So there's no way that he drove 605 hours every week. That's where that decimal comes in. I moved over 1, 2 swoops. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go 1, 2 swoops. And there's my decimal. So my answer is B, 6 5/100 hours.